How cool is this diamond painting? So this is 50 by 50. Oh my god, stunning. And what you get with it is this whole pack. So you get your tool, wax and tray. The wax is for sticking on diamond painting and diamonds if you've never done it before. So all your colours there. Can't wait to get started. So how you do it is you find the number. So I'm filling in the S's which are the 6. So put some in my tray. You grab some wax in the tip of your tool, just by going like that in the wax. Then you lift a little bit. So you don't need to reveal all of it yet because you'll lose the stickiness. Grab one. Where's the S gone? Right. There you go. Show you properly. And so on. So I've done this whole corner. Now I'm going to do the G, which is 12. I'm really addicted to this already. It's keep like finding time to do it and watching YouTube videos at the same time. It's quite therapeutic, or you can just do it whilst listening to music or whatever. Right, so I'm doing the G. Pick it up, stick it down. So satisfying. I didn't think I'd enjoy it this much, but I do. So yeah, I hope this video was useful. I'll do many more videos on this, and thanks for watching. Bye.